So Yarelo, in this dance, basic step is the basic Tibetan step. So 4 counts, we do right, left, right, up. Right, left, right, and then the same right goes up. Right, left, right, and the right goes up. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With arms, first we move right arms and we twist our body to the left, and the arm descend with the first count. So with the first step, arms descend. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's this open movement. Now left, with 1, descend, and we twist our body to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, right arms, and we twist to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left arm, we twist to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Women turn clockwise and male stay in the inner circle and turn anti-clockwise. So we dance like this. And then, what is important in this dance, after 12 times, we repeat the basic Tibetan step. I mean, the 12th time, we bow to the male. So we will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and male also do toward us. Then we come back to our circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, after doing this, so we repeat, and then the 12th time we bow. 3, 4, right foot is in front, and then we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We start again the basic Tibetan step, and then at the 6th time we turn backward, and we do the same movement but backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot always in front, and come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start again with the basic Tibetan step. Remember that at the beginning, the very beginning, instead of 12, we do this movement at the 11th time of the step. So 1, we can count like this. 2, 3, and so on. And at 11, we do this movement. And then come back. Only the first time. Then later will be 6, and then 12, 6, and so on, alternated. At the end, we will end with arms up, facing outside.